Alright, what is 57% of 200? Think about it like this. What would 50% of 200 be? That would be 100, wouldn't it? Half of 200 is 100. So it's going to be a little bit more than 100 because this is a little bit more than 57%. Good way to check your work there. 200 times. What is 57% as a decimal? Just slide it over 2 spots. 0.57. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Add a 0 for placeholder. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. Add them up now. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 4 and 0 is 4. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and nothing up there is 1. So now we got to decide how many times do we need to slide the decimal. There's 2 numbers after the decimal here. None here. So slide it over 1 spot, 2 spot. That's 114. That checks in with the answer that we thought it would be about. Number 22. If Steven saves 10% on a $14.99 dress shirt, about... Estimate how much does the dress shirt cost with a 10% discount. Let's call this $15. If we were to take 10% of 15, all I would do, literally just slide the decimal over 1 spot. It's 1.5 or $1.50. But pay attention to the question. How much does the dress shirt cost with a discount? The discount's $1.50, so we have to subtract that from our original price. $15 minus $1.50. Well, 0 minus 0 is 0. We can't do 0 minus 5, so I'm going to borrow. That becomes a 4. That becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 50. 4 minus 1 is 3. $13.50. Number 23. About how much is a 20% tip on an $8.21 breakfast bill? $8.21. Here we go. What's 10% of $8.21? 10%, we're just going to slide this decimal over 1 spot. It's about 82 cents. Just about. Remember, this question told us to use about, so that's what we're going to do. 10% is 82 cents. So what's 20%? It's twice that. Well, let's call it 82 cents instead. 80 cents. Twice of 80 cents, well, that's 2 times 8 is 16, so this will be $1.60. That's 20%. That's about how much the tip would be. By the way, if we wanted to solve it this way, we could. $8.21 and just multiply it times 0.2 or 0.20. I'm just going to use 0.2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. And remember, there's 1, 2, 3 numbers after decimal. So I got to slide it over once, twice, 3 times. $1.64. Not much different from the answer we had before. Alright, number 24. Approximately 98% of children are not homeschooled. What is 98% as a fraction in simplest form? Percent means per 100. 98 per 100. Remember again, simplest form. Divide these by 2. 98 divided by 2, we might have to do that out. 2 goes into 9. 4 times. 4 times 2. 8. 9 minus 8. 1. Bring down that 8. 18. 2 goes into 18. 9 times. We get this equal to 49 over 100 divided by 2 is 50. That's our final answer. 49 out of 50.